Hey guys, and welcome back to Tom's Garage. You join me inside the Mazda 6e and we're going to be doing a video on the EVDance portable charger. I'm going to be showing you how you can use it, hook it up to your garage in your house to go ahead and charge an electric vehicle. So we have the EVDance charger just in the garage at the moment. I'm just going to show you how you go ahead and plug this in. So the good thing about this is you're able to go ahead, plug that in just to a normal 3-pin UK socket. You will see it illuminates up like so, so you can see little things. You can change the ampage, hold that in, and I can go ahead and change 6, 8, 10. You can even do the timer if you want to make it delayed. There you go, you can delay the start. So see you've got preferred lights at night time. Go ahead and push that again, that was my bad. You can tap and then you can make a delayed start if you want, or say I want to set it to 6 hours, I'm putting it in at, say it's 3 o'clock and I get a rate at 9 o'clock, it will count down and then it'll start charging, so you can get your preferred rate overnight, which is quite a nice little feature on the EVDance portable charger. So you've got those two functionalities there, changing the ampage and then doing the delayed start. If you want to charge at a later time, you can go ahead, plug it in, and then worry about that the next morning or something like so. So we'll go ahead and plug this into the car. So this week we are in the Mazda 6e, which is the fully electric Mazda. I'm going to go ahead, undo this, and we're able to go ahead and plug the EVDance charger into the Mazda. You can also use this on a plug-in hybrid as well. So that's that connected up. We'll have a quick look inside the dash. And it's telling me, there we go, it's starting to charge. Now it's going to be a slow charge here, but we're at 74% at the moment, and then we can see remaining charge time there if we want to get to 100%. So we're getting about 2.1 kilowatts and 9 amps right now, and that's me just plugged it in. As you can see, you can schedule the charging as well. Suitable for AC charging only, it's telling you on the dash. But yeah, that's the EVDance charger plugged in. So I just wanted to show you all what the EVDance is able to do, because you are able just to go simply plug it in to the charger socket in the wall. And well, in my case, the garage, you might have an outside socket, whatever it could be. But also the beauty of it, you can take it with you in places as well. So although it's sunny here in Scotland, one day it seems to be sunny, it's IP66 rated as well for waterproofing, weather resistant. So if the days it's raining, you can plug it in. Say you're traveling, you don't know if you're going to have a charger where you're visiting. You know, if it's an Airbnb, going to a family or friend's house, you can put that in the boot of your car or with you, and you can plug it in, get a charge overnight. So it's quite useful. And in fact, you can change the ampage and then delay as well for the timing. Do you know if you've got a preferred rate, if you're using it at home? Again, with the ampage thing, that might be depending where you are. Not every house is the same, or every garage where you're plugging it in. So it gives you that flexibility there. So that is one of the main features of the EVDance portable charger there. So if you are interested in picking up an EVDance portable charger, I'll leave all the information below, and you can use the discount code provided to get a discount with your purchase on the EVDance website. Thank you very much for watching, and a special thanks to EVDance again for sending the product through to allow me to showcase it and try it out. Now, it's worked, if you've seen my previous video, tried it on a Genesis electric, and this week we are trying it on the Mazda 6e, the full electric hatchback there. So it does have the flexibility jumping between cars. Anyway, until next time, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next video.